This model has a lot of hair, so let's start by adjusting the hair volume. Using two Vern Texturizing scissors combined with Vern Bridge. In the lower section, I will do Slanting Texturizing before shortening the length. For the upper layers, I will focus on adjusting the volume at the roots and in the middle of the hair. After texturizing, a simple hand movement will enhance root support, creating lift and adding volume for a more dimensional hairstyle. The Vern Texturizing scissors with L-shaped teeth hold a world invention patent, ensuring precise control over hair removal. This precision is unmatched by other brands, making it the world's only patented invention. Using two Vern straight scissors together, I will apply the scissors over comb technique with point cutting to cut the hair. The scissors over comb method, whether point cutting or horizontal cutting, is both simple and precise, creating a natural finish. With Vern both-handed faultless cutting technique, you can effortlessly switch between hands to suit different cutting positions and lengths. This method ensures smooth operation, prevents hand restrictions, and allows for better control of symmetrical hair flow. By using two scissors for point cutting, the hair ends are softened. Even before styling, this haircut already shows great smoothness and flow. I will apply styling texturizing in the mid of the hair to create a three-dimensional and wispy effects in the hairstyle. What I'm doing is shaping. By slanting texturizing on the surface layers, I enhance the definition and structure of the hairstyle, making it stand out even more. With just a simple hand movement at the end, the hairstyle naturally reveals its sleek, linear flow.
Welcome to leave a comment. Hit the like, share, subscribe buttons, and click the bell to receive notifications of latest videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. You wanna buy Vern scissors? Get more details in description.